In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate any Notion template, step by step. Duplicating a template in Notion is a quick way to take an existing setup you like and make it fully your own without rebuilding everything from scratch. You might want to do this with a project tracker, a content calendar, a habit tracker, or any other template you've found and want to customize for your personal or team use. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly what to click, what to look out for, and a few tips to keep things organized once your copy is created. First, open the Notion template you want to duplicate. This could be a page shared with you, something from the Notion template gallery, or a page inside your workspace that you'd like to reuse. Make sure the page is fully loaded and you can see the content like databases, text, and any embedded elements. Now, look toward the upper right corner of the Notion window. You'll see an icon with 3 dots arranged vertically. This is the page menu, and it's where Notion keeps a lot of useful actions related to the current page. Move your cursor over to those 3 dots and click on them. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, showing various options such as page settings, export, and more. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. It usually appears alongside other page actions and might be closer to the middle of the list, depending on your Notion version and layout. Go ahead and click on Duplicate. As soon as you click it, Notion will create a copy of that entire page or template. This includes the layout, the databases, properties, and any sample content inside. The duplicate will normally appear in the same workspace and sidebar area as the original, often with the same title plus the word copy added to it. If you don't see it right away, check the sidebar. It might be nested under the same parent page as the original template. Once your duplicate is created, you can rename it by clicking on the page title at the top and typing in a new name. From there, you're free to customize anything you want, adjust database properties, change views, remove example entries, and start adding your own information. Because this is your copy, any changes you make here won't affect the original template.